Some chemical compounds are purified by recrystallization. So basically, recrystallization is what? It is where you have crystals, okay, and then you dissolve them in water, and then you do crystallization where you evaporate it to crystallization point where it becomes very, very concentrated, and then you leave it to cool. And when it cools, only the substance will crystallize. All other impurities will not crystallize. Okay. So this is basically the process of recrystallization. What can be used to test the purity of the crystals? So once you get these crystals, you can test for their purity using melting point. So melting and boiling point are what is used to test for purity. All the other stuff is not used for purity. Color of crystals. Well, maybe your crystals are blue and maybe the impurities are also blue. Okay. Size of crystals, where you're going to get like small sizes and big sizes, and that really doesn't say anything about the purity. The small sizes are pure and the big sizes are also pure. Maybe the impurities are small or big. Really doesn't matter. Has nothing to do. So solubility, kind of, some students will say, well, each substance has a certain solubility, but maybe two substances have very similar solubility and they will, have, very close solubility. So that also is not very specific. But the melting point, like, very, very specific. If it's 0, it's pure water. If boiling point, same thing. If it's 100, then it's pure water. If it's 78 exactly, then it's pure ethanol. And then once it becomes impure, that melting and boiling point becomes not sharp and becomes a range. So you immediately know it's not pure.